This is Hello Monkey, a peek-a-boo adventure. Peek-a-boo, peek-a-boo. Here's a red frog and some flowers. These are big flowers. Blue. Bluish. That's more purple, really, than blue. Okay, well, let's open it up. Whoop! There's a big hole. Hello, monkey. I can see you through a rumbly jungle maze. Oh, and all these flowers are so beautiful. There's a yellow flower. There's another yellow flower. And there's pink flowers and orange. I think those are leaves. Oh, there's our little red frog friend. Maybe it's the frog that's talking. Around the jungle, tangled roots shoot up toward the sun's bright rays. Yep, here's a tree and the roots that come down. Oh, we've got two red frogs. 1, 2 now. All right. Boop. Above the roots, I see green plants rustling in the gentle breeze. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. All right. It is hard to turn the page. We did it! Yay! Between the plants, I see a monkey climbing up the vines and trees. Oh, there's a pretty parrot. Boop! I poked the monkey's nose. Look at all these pretty green leaves and the brown vines. Hello, monkey. I can see you. Can you see me climbing too? Oh, look, the monkey's got a banana. Oh, all the glittery. It's so bumpy. Oh, wow. The leaves are bumpy. Let's look at his banana. That's so pretty. Ooh. That's the special sparkly surprise. That was short, but that was fun. I liked it. Hopefully you had fun too. Have a great day.